I have a climapro RF central heating control panel with a combi boiler. I would like to turn up the heating, but the system doesn't seem to be working. All buttons on the control panel work and the panel is responsive when the mode is pressed 2 times. It shows the comfort temp when pressed twice, which we've increased to 23, but nothing happens. The actual temp is still only 17°C. Can you offer any advice? P.S. The hot water is working.
You will have to remove the controller from the wall and bring it next to the base at the boiler. Reset the controller and allow the controller to communicate with the base. Replace the controller on the wall and all should be well. Thank you so much for using JustAnswer. Canuck.
Sorry for the delay in getting back to you. I have had error messages with the JustAnswer website. My question is, how should I let the controller communicate with the base? Do I just place it beside the base of the boiler, reset the temperature and leave it by the boiler for 5 minutes? How can I tell that the base and controller have communicated? Should something flash on the screen? Should the batteries be taken out and replaced as part of this process? Many thanks, Linda.
There should be a tiny hole you can poke something into to reset the controller. If you bring the controller closer to the base and reset it. Once it starts to respond after adjusting the control, replace it on the wall and all should be well.
Hi, still having issues replying to the expert? Yeah, the website. Please can you forward the following question to the expert? Can you be more specific about the location of the tiny hole to reset the controller? Have checked the instruction manual, see attached, and couldn't see any mention of where the reset hole should be. Many thanks again, Linda.
Sorry for the delay in my response. Is there not reset directions in the manual? I didn't have the manual for that model, so I will opt out so another expert who may be more familiar with that model can help you. Thank you so much for using JustAnswer. Canuck. Hi, my name is XXXXXXXXXX. Let's see if we can get you sorted in the shortest possible time. Do you still have the problem?
Yes, still have the problem. Do you have experience with this issue and the climapro RF?
Yes, do you have the RF model?
Yes, that's right. I found the instruction manual on http://www.splum.com/system/brand_attachment/1278/original/climapro_user_manual.pdf?mark 128498291 but no info regarding this problem.
Are you able to take the transmitter off the wall and sit as near the boiler? Turn off the power to the boiler and remove the batteries from the transmitter, then restore power to the boiler and insert the batteries. The two items should sync back together again.
Yes, should I have a switch or just a power socket for the boiler, glowworm combi? I'm not at the house at the moment and need to direct tenants to do this. How will we know that the controller and boiler are in sync? Will something be displayed on the screen?
You should have a fused spur for the boiler. If it syncs together correctly, then you should get a green light again and the heating should fire.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.